we took the car in for the warranty work, and it turns out let's say it's the gear selector. So they did a replacement gear selector, and so far nothing. It's been all right. So I don't know whether it's going to cure it or not. I'm expecting it probably will. That's what they tell me anyway. We just live in hope. All I can say is it was doing it very briefly. It wasn't something that happened very often, and as you can see on the screen, the lead-up screen at the beginning of this video, that's the error message we were getting. So all I can say to you is if you're having this problem, it's a possible gear selector that's the problem. That's all I can tell you, really. And if anybody else has any other story to tell on that, add it in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe, although I never really say that very often because people already know that anyway. All I can tell you is it doesn't cost anything to With that, I'll say bye for now.